All right, y'all. You see it, man. Got a red day. Portfolio down $1,982.64. Like I say, man. Like I was telling y'all for 2026 with 2025, y'all might well just not sit on the sideline, but side eye this whole year. Just keep your head on the swivel. What's going on? This tariffs thing gonna have the market very volatile, and you just got to take advantage of this stuff, man. Like I say, this the time. Noticed a lot of layoffs going on. UPS just announced they laying off 20,000 employees and shutting down 73 facilities throughout the United States. I read another article about it's about to be layoffs for the trucking in the industry and retail. So it's about to get a little ugly, about to get a little stink. Like all I can tell you, man, if you need some money, go sign up for Uber, do Uber Eats, do DoorDash. They pay every day. At least you get paid every week on top of your main income. You know, you work 40 hours a week or you 40 hours plus. And you have to keep grinding and stay above water, man. There ain't no excuses out here, and ain't nobody coming to save you. Man or female. Nobody coming to save you. So you better you better be grinding. Um and putting your money in the market, man. So if you want to retire early, you know, they say by 2033 now, I think it is, or 2035, that the SSI pot gonna be 20% less than what it is. If there's even still money in it, I think it still be money, just gonna be short. So a lot of people not gonna be retiring the way they should if they ain't got no Roth or no 401k or some outside investing from that job, not depending on the government to take care of them. So you better be trying to create your own retirement plan and your own pension in this stock market. The way that I am, especially with these dividend stocks. Growth stocks cool, but man, these dividends you don't ever have to sell shares to receive income. Worst you got to do is pay taxes, which is not a bad thing. You don't get hit that hard for them. But anyway, man, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. Watch my recent videos, share my channel also. Like I said, the market, we're going to ride it up. The day is a pullback, going to be the same trades. But we're going, like I said, we're going to get it in. We're going to accumulate at these prices. And for 2026, 2027, when you do start to see a little bit of difference in the economy, interest rates, and all that stuff, and tariffs, then, you know, we kind of take our foot off the gas or whatever. But I'm gonna get it in. You the CEO of your own portfolio. Do what you want. Do as you please. Got any questions? Leave them in the comments. Let's get to it. All right, one stock I've been giving y'all, man, just had a bad earnings on yesterday in the post market, which is HRZN, Horizon Technology. I went in. I finally got my 1,000 shares. I had a buy order in, I think at like 7.55 or something. It pays 11 cents a share a month. As you can see right here, April 29, I brought 25 shares at 784. Another 5 at 784. I'm going to go to show all. And I got a big order in right here. I brought at $7.60. I brought 173 shares. That gave me my 1,000 shares. It got down today to like 726. So right now the dividend yield is 14.77%, 52-week low 726, high 12,663. Horizon is a BDC, business development company. Don't think it's a REIT. Yes, a BDC. So BDCs and REITs are gonna benefits once the interest rates get cut. So anyway, I got my 1,000. Still gonna buy it. I'm about to get $3 now. Well, right here, I'm about to go in at 7.26 since it's done. Pull it up, not market order, put in limit order. I'm going in at 726, the 52-week low. Go ahead and put me an order in right there for 50 shares. Bring down the average call, take advantage of this dip. And I'm also going to go ahead and get 5 shares. I might up that 50 to 100. Go buying dollars, $5 worth. Boom for Horizon at 750. All right. Y'all write down this OXLC. Then go in at $4.56. CRF $6.61. CLM, I think the day was like $6.70, but OXLC, CRF, CLM. OXLC 9 cent a share a month, CRF 11.8 cent a share, and CLM is like 12.2 cent a share a month. Go and get those three. I know I've been giving y'all them every day anyway. All right, we got a rising out of the way. We're gonna go QYLD. $5 worth of that. I want this to break that $16 mark, man. What's the low today anyway? 16.18. All right, gonna go RYLD. Instead of doing the 3 or the 5, I'm doing 7. I'm gonna go OXSQ. Definitely getting this one. 3.5 cent a share a month. Got down to $2.49. Taking advantage of this dip. Get 10 shares of that. I said I want to get 1,000 shares, so got to go in on it. Gonna go OPI. They down today, 37 cent. I'm just going to get some right now at 38 cent. Trying to lower my average cost on this one. I'm getting there. I'm at 147. We're gonna go USOY. This cash flow, man. Billing this thing on up. Buying dollars. Alright. $5 USOY today. Gonna get me 100 shares of this. Ain't no better time than now. RC Ready Capital. 431. $3 worth of that. That's more than a half a share, almost a full one. $1 cost average on the end on that. GOGL, Golden Oceans Group. See, gonna go get some of that at this price too. So buy at $8 and under. SBLK, Starbucks, another dry marine shipping company. Also up like this at 15 and under. Bring down the average cost. Hoping I can catch that below the $14 mark. We're gonna go USOI. 52.47. Go get $20 worth of that today at that price. I'm waiting on this to come on down. I need to lower my average cost on this. I'm at 69. I need to get this around about at least 60. MED, Metafast. 13.10 is at. $5 worth. They had good earnings. Like I said, that's gonna be a stock you're gonna have to hold. That's when I tell y'all to stay out of that one. Just stick to the cash flow, especially investors that don't want to trade. Stocks you just want to buy and hold and never sell, to stick to the cash flow dividend stocks. Once I tell you, even with Arbor, this one pay a nice quarterly dividend. This one you can definitely get. I'm gonna go with Fiat. It's the inverse of Coinbase. All right, we at Fiat. Fiat got a green day today, but still gonna get some of that. Like I said, I just dollar cost average in on it, $2 worth. I buy full shares in another portfolio. Also pays a monthly dividend out. I'm gonna go ULTY. Pays out weekly. 8 to 10 cents a share a week. There's definitely one you want to add, especially for cash flow. $2 worth of that. Want this to come. I want to catch this around the 550 range. I got a buy order in for like 25 or 50 shares at that price. I'm really gonna try to get me 1,000 shares in my other one. I'm gonna go in and spend the $5,000 on margin, get that 1,000. That's gonna pay me 8 cents a share a week. That should be like $80 a week at the minimum. 8 cents times 1,000. Well, that's like $80. And let it just build itself back up from that. I can just reinvest those dividends, and I ain't got to reinvest all of it. I can buy one share a day at say $6 at the max. 6 times 5 is 30. I got $80 a week, so I'm reinvesting 30. Still got 50 sitting up that I could put somewhere else. That's how you want your portfolios. I mean your cash flow coming in. AGNC. It's definitely coming down. I think it got down to 8,669 today. I paid 12 cents a share. That's one you definitely want to get in. ARR is a REIT, 24 cents a share a month. It's definitely one too. XYLD. Cover calls on the S&P 500. Pays out monthly. It's definitely another one you want to get in. It's a buy at the 40 and under mark. SDIV. Got to catch that at a daily low. That pays out monthly also. One you can add on. Got ORC. 8 cents a share, 12 cents a share a month. Dang, this came down to 717. What this went to today? 704. Oh yeah, it's time to go shopping. I like that 704 price. Let's see if this gonna break below the other thing. ORC, I already got 1,000 shares. I want to bring down my average cost. I think I'm gonna sell one of my positions because I'm so deep into it. I got it in multiple like portfolios to say. PFLT. Another one pays out monthly. This gonna go back above the $11 mark. Sorry, I mean to put this on dollars. We're gonna go GSBD, Goldman Sachs. Pays out quarterly. This one I might let go of. Dividend yield is 15. Well, not really. I mean, this is a nice one to have for cash flow. Bringing down that average cost, accumulating shares, bringing it down. TCPC. It's a BlackRock, 686, 866. Got to get on some of that. Gonna go with YMAX. Everything we coming into now pay out weekly. YMAX. 1304. Stop playing. Stop doing the 5 and do the 7s. Throw out a little more. Get you a half a share a day. I want to start doing a whole share, but I'm going to split it between YMAG and YMAX. YMAX pay a bigger dividend, but they trade differently. QQQY. 2414. Want this to come down some more so I can load up. IWMY. pays out weekly. It's the Russell 2000. QQQY is the S&P 500. Like I said, they two different things. QDTE. All right, QDTE. Go XDTE. Trying to bring down the average cost, take advantage of this little dip. You got Kraft Heinz is down. $29. I like this at 29 and under. It's gonna get a little bit today since I can't catch it at as low. I got two positions in this. One I'm a sell, one I'm a keep. No, we're gonna go. I already got USOI. We're gonna go VTRS, Viatris. Take advantage of this one, especially with that dividend yield. Lower my average cost. I'm gonna go with MFA Financial. Why am I buying MFA? 14.23% dividend yield, market cap 1 billion, P ratio is at 12, right where I like it. 52-week low 795, high 1345. From yesterday, AFCG. I'm at $9 at 540. Gonna ride it on up. It's probably gonna come back down anyway. And another one is DEA, and it's the last one on my list. All right, we can go check out traps. Make sure y'all watch me. I got to do a Cash App video tonight. Make sure y'all watch it. All right, like you see everything coming on down. In bank stocks, I'm pretty good as far as my position in them. Western Union is under $10. You're gonna get that. Bring that average cost on down. I think this is gonna go back past the $13 range when things get good. New Tech One I've been giving y'all. If y'all started a position in this, take advantage of this dip. Excuse me. Also got a nice dividend yield. Like I say right now, I'm using margin, not using my own money. The reason is being because I don't think you're gonna see a dip like this for years. Might be another decade, but I'm taking advantage of what it is for now. HPP. It's another one I'm gonna swing trade down to 188. Made a new 52-week low today. I did get some at the $2 range. Time for me to lower my average cost. And this one too, that's why I'm going hard. Got like a 5% dividend yield. This is also a REIT. Like I say, I'm getting it down to where when this market start to take off, it's gonna be that. Granite Point Mortgage also coming down 192 to going in at 186. I'm at 329. Right now, I'm risking it all right now. I'm bringing down these average calls. This does play a good dividend. This is a REIT. They got to pay 90% of their income out to shareholders and dividends. So with a REIT and a BDC, you will always get a dividend. Got Ready Capital, the Dow. SLRC pays out monthly 10 cents a share. Another nice one to have. Buying dollars. Just like to add on to that. One thing about dividend stocks, when you ever get tired of buying Comcast, this one I'm probably gonna dump too. I can't never catch this at that low. But whatever. Like I say, that's a buy and hold stock. People consider that. The way it pays the dividend out. Pets down 4.07%. Y'all like trading, these the ones to get. 326 today. I'm just getting 2 shares a day. Does this pay a dividend? No, it doesn't. But I pay it with other dividend stocks. That's why I go hard on dividend stocks. So even with these growth stocks, once I trade up out of this, all that money gonna come right back to my cash balance, and I'm not reinvesting back into it. So I'm buying dollars. All right, back at Gladstone Lands, got like a 6% dividend yield, pays out monthly also. All Gladstone products pay out monthly. I think this is the only one that I'm actually like down in. Charge point today, I think it got down to like 62 cents. I'm going at 61. 5 shares, 0.61. Like I say, man, just dollar cost average accumulating. This also doesn't pay a dividend, but you just got to invest into the company. But check out my average cost. I'm at $1.14 on 2,245 shares, man. When this thing take off, I'm gonna be looking good. Gold up 15% today. When gold is up and precious metals is up, that's telling you a recession coming. People not believing in the money, so they putting their money into precious metals. I got a sale, I think at like 71 cents for 1,255 shares. Like, I'm going to get out of it and may re-enter it, but I'm just trying to get my little money back and put it in a dividend stocks. Like I said, I ain't got time for all that precious gold and all that cool, but gold stop paying a dividend. So for that reason, I'm out. Brandywine, if you like charting and trading, go roll be a way to go for you. My bad putting this in dollars. Brandywine, $3 worth of that. That's another REIT I'm gonna dump later on. But if you want to get in and make you some upside for later and get a dividend, Junk Bond pays out monthly, $94.66. This is a safe way to go. If you just got money sitting and want it to be like a bank account, put it inside a bond. Got a yield of 7+ percent too. Lionel Basel down at almost a 10% dividend yield right about now. I just want to get my average cost below 60. I'm at 70 something. Got MFA from earlier. IVR is down. Nice quarterly paying REIT. $5 worth of that. Start knocking that on down. It's gonna be one I'ma just probably leave. No, I might leave this one and sell my other position in it. Got Two Harbors, which is also a REIT. 1206. I'm at 16 something. It's the time you want to average on down. That's why I'm using margin, because I got a lot of money. When I sold some money, I put it right into this thing to up my margin limit. Get all these discounts here, man. All this stuff here pay out monthly. Discounts, man. Anytime you look on this page and see a trade that's like 20 minutes, all my videos, you already know they trading at a discount. AMZY, Amazon. Options on it. Dollar call that, pick up a little piece here and there. TSLY, ULTY, YMAG, all this. I'm gonna get some TSLY. Options on Tesla. That's 3% off. Get $3 worth. Ain't gotta be a full share, just accumulate. I want that MSTY. That spit is down, pays like a 29 to 33 cent a share dividend. Add a little more spit. PPPY, options on PayPal. Right now, my average cost on that one also pays out monthly. All right, go get some SVOL, 27 cents a share a month. All right, I'm gonna get one more, some TOPT. It's the S&P 500. Well, the top 20 companies in the United States, the U.S. market. All right, that's it, man. Gonna get on off here. Y'all stay safe out there. Signing off. Go get your money.